In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up and restore a WordPress website. So I'll be showing you two different methods that we can use to do this. The first method will be using a free plugin that's nice and straightforward. And the second method, I'm going to show you how to create a backup in your cPanel without requiring any additional plugins. So for the first method, you just need to head over to your WordPress dashboard, and then from the left, head down to plugins and select this. Click on add a new plugin in the top left-hand side. In the search box down here, type in the word updraft and hit enter. Now this is a completely free plugin that you can use to make backups and restore previous versions of your website. As you can see, it's been downloaded by over 3 million people. It's completely safe to use. So all you need to do is press the install button here. Then once that's finished installing, just press this activate button. And now once you've activated Updraft, it would appear in this left-hand panel. So just go down to Updraft and click this, then scroll down, and the first thing you need to do is head over to this settings tab, then scroll down and select how we want these backups to be saved. Now this really comes down to personal preference. What I would recommend is selecting Google Drive and linking it up to your Google account, and that way all of your backups will automatically be sent to your Google Drive. Alternatively, you can select any of these options here if you'd rather have your backups sent by email or FTP. Like I said, this really comes down to personal preference, but I'm going to keep mine selected as Google Drive. Then scroll up to the top and you'll see the section for Files Backup Schedule and Database Backup Schedule. Now, if you want backups of your website to be scheduled regularly, then you can do that from here just by selecting the interval. So I wouldn't recommend selecting anything more than daily as it would take up too much space. Usually for my websites, I would select either daily or weekly, depending on how much you're updating on your website regularly, or you could just leave this option as manual and we can make manual backups of the website. So if you head back over to the Backup and Restore tab at the top, you can just click this Backup Now button here, click on OK. Make sure you have the database and the files checked here, and then just select Backup Now. And that's going to go ahead and back up all of your files. Now, because we selected Google Drive, once this is finished, this will automatically be saved over to our Google Drive. And if you did want to restore a previous backup, then we can do that just by scrolling down here and selecting Upload Backup Files. And then you can just click this Select Files link and upload your backup. So that's how you create and restore backups inside of WordPress using a plugin. If you wanted to create a backup without using a plugin, then we can also do this by heading over to your cPanel, and you'll need to scroll down the page until you see this option for backup. So click this, and right at the top here you'll see this option for full backup, and that's the one that we'll need to select, and that will take a copy of all of our website files and configuration. So just select download a full account backup. Now for the backup destination, you can usually just leave this as home directory. Select the email account where you want to be notified when the backup's complete, and then finally click Generate Backup. Once your backup's finished, we can head back over to the cPanel, come back down to Backup, and if you want to restore a previous backup file, then we can do that from this Restore section here. Just click on Choose File and locate your backup file. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you back up your WordPress website. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.